Welcome back, everyone. Pedro here with another live stream. Just want to welcome you guys to the channel. If it's your first time here, just want to let you know that we're live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Maybe it's your new first time here at the channel. Maybe you're new to trading, or maybe you've been trading for quite some time and you've just been struggling. Whatever the case is, I want you to know that you can count on our community here. You can count on me as well. Like I said, I'm live every single day, and I want you guys to know that I'm here to support you every single step of the way. And so with that being said, welcome to the family if it's your first time here, and consider subscribing below if you're looking to take your trading to the next level. That being said, guys, we're gonna get started here. We're gonna dive in a little bit deeper, but before we do that, give me 1 second here. I'm just gonna pop up my charts. Before we do that, I'm just going to update some stuff here, some settings in the video, and then we'll dive a little bit deeper into see what I can expect for price to do. I'm just going to update some video settings here. And also, guys, for all of our new members that are just tuning in, maybe it's your first time here, don't forget to hit the little notification bell and click all notifications for every single live stream. Reason being is because obviously I'm here mainly Monday to Fridays in the mornings at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't typically do live streams like right now in the evening. Now currently November 15th, I can't believe November. We're already halfway through the month. It's crazy. But with that being said, we are still doing a live here in the evening, and you know, I've been pretty busy lately, guys. I definitely don't miss a single live stream in the morning. Now, with that being said, that doesn't mean I won't come on live sometimes in the evenings, guys. So, you know, I know how much you guys enjoy these live streams. So we're going to get started here, guys. So give me a few minutes and then we will get started here. So give me a sec. Hope you guys are having a great evening as well, guys. Hope you guys are doing well, evening or morning, wherever you are, really, because I know we have people from all over the world. So just want to welcome you guys. Okay, so just going to update everything. Also Euro CHF trade, lots of trades that we took this morning on our live stream, guys. So if you guys missed out, don't feel bad, don't worry, the markets always have opportunities, guys. We can always take advantage and profit. All right, guys, I'm gonna start. I'm almost done here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, guys. A couple new members just tuning in. A couple other live streams. ASI, welcome. Let's go, guys. I know that you guys probably noticed that I haven't come in on the evenings. And like I said, my main focus is always in the mornings, but I know how much, you know, it can be helpful coming in on the evening. So I will still try my best to come in on the evenings when I get a chance. But I want you guys to know that, you know, I'm here to support you guys either way. And so, yeah, guys, we're going to get started shortly. I'm just going to put the link here in the Telegram group, and then we should be good to go. Got everything lined up here. I'm just going to put the links here in the chat box, and then we should be good, guys. We should be good. Gold move, guys, over 104 pips, guys. Crazy. even with the Euro CHF, Euro USD as well. I'm going to go over that anyways in a second. I'm going to tag this. I'm going to pin this on the chat box, and then we'll get started, guys. Okay, guys, welcome. I'm super excited to have you guys here this evening or morning, wherever you guys are right now. I want you guys to know that we're here to dive in deeper. We're here to focus on the charts, and let's start with gold. Let's see what's going on with gold, guys. Kind of what's my expectation with gold. And so if we look at the daily, we can see that the overall momentum is starting to shift on gold. Now, we can clearly see that the daily, for example, even the previous daily candle here, you could see that is starting to lose its momentum. Not only that, we also see that the new daily candle that has opened now is starting to look bearish. So now we can anticipate, finally, we can anticipate that we can expect price to start pulling back. If we look to the left-hand side, we could see a clear area, okay? A clear resistance area coming over, which is pretty much a level of structure that I'm looking at for gold. And so we know that gold has been trending to the downside for quite some time, okay? We know that. We've been looking at this for the past almost month or so, and we know that gold has been in this downwards channel, and gold finally broke above it. And so now we can anticipate on the higher time frames some sort of a retracement, some sort of a pullback, right? So you guys know this, I teach this all the time in all my live streams. What do we expect when price pushes up, right? After a strong momentum move, we expect some sort of an exhaustion, right? That's typically how it works, guys, and that's what we look for. So now that we know that we've got that strong momentum push, now what do we wait for? We wait for that exhaustion. Now that exhaustion could be range consolidation, right? And sometimes that consolidation can narrow things down for price to actually start pulling back, right? Okay, you guys are understanding this? If you guys are understanding overall just the beginning part, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. Also, let me know if you're new to the family, guys. Consider subscribing below and hitting that notification bell and clicking all notifications, but also introduce yourself, guys. I want to hear where you guys are tuning in from. As you guys know, our family is growing day by day, and I want to get to know each and every one of you guys as much as I can. I know that sometimes it's a little bit overwhelming because I'm only one person, but I want you guys to know that I genuinely want you guys to succeed in trading, because let me tell you, maybe if you're starting out or whatever the case is, I was once in your shoes, and I'm not even close. Let me start saying that, by the way, because you guys know I'm always upfront and honest with you guys. I'm not even close to where I want to be. You know what I mean? And trading is definitely a journey. You know what I mean? I'm not even, the fact that I take trades and I do 0.25, 0.50, you know, sometimes I mainly focus on kind of managing my risk and staying around that zone. Max maybe 1 to 2 lots. I was doing 2 lots, and then I felt, okay, you know what? Maybe I'm pushing it a little bit, right? But you have to really get comfortable in a point where you're like, okay, this is my next level where I'm ready to level up, right? And so what am I doing? I'm consistently back testing. I'm looking, I'm working on myself as I go, right? And as traders, that's what we want to be doing consistently, is always looking back and basically focusing on looking at the charts. The more chart time you have, the more better you're going to get, guys. And trust me, I can tell you that it takes time, but it's definitely worth it, guys. Okay, I think we've got a couple comments here. Give me 1 sec. I think this is a spam, guys, so I'm just gonna hide that there, or report it, actually. Report. There we go. Perfect. MK, welcome, my man. Welcome. Hey, it's been a while since your last Asian session. Yes, it has. It has, definitely, for sure. And I hope that you know, because I know some people can unfortunately join me in my morning sessions, like pre New York, right, or New York Open. So that's why I haven't forgot about you guys. I know that there's a good chunk people that prefer in the evenings in Asian session, so I'm here, guys. Don't worry, I haven't forgot about you. And so let's continue on, guys. Here, let's get it. Patrick, Oklahoma, let's get it, my man. Let's go, let's go. Okay, guys, so let's continue on. What do we anticipate for gold? We can anticipate some sort of a retracement. Now, where am I anticipating gold to potentially come down to? That is something that we really have to kind of mark off our levels. So now that we know that pretty much we're seeing gold potentially push back down from this level structure, I can see probably like the first level or the first touch point for gold. At least I see it coming down to this area over here. This is kind of a major level of structure. This is where I may anticipate gold to come down to. Remember, these are key zones, key levels. You know, sometimes you can draw lines like this, right? You know that that's a level where price has respected in the past, but remember that it is a zone, okay? Price can overlap or create certain little gaps, and so we have to understand that it's going to be zone areas. Sometimes we'll get fake outs similar to this. Look at this here, look at this here, right? And sometimes we'll get price respect these levels perfectly, right? So now that we know that this is overall direction, or when we anticipate some sort of retracement, the daily's already looking a little bit bearish. Not only that, I can see heavy wick rejection. So this to me as a trader indicates to me that price is failing to create price is failing to create higher highs, or price is failing to continue to go higher, right? So this is pretty bearish, and we got that wick rejection already. Now let's take a look here. Let's see how's the 1 hour looking. So this is somewhat looking like a double top formation. You know, as long as price respects this these highs over here, it doesn't break these highs or fails to create a higher high, which is pretty much the case right now, we can anticipate a continuation to the downside. However, we are still not going to look for sells yet until we break this upwards trend line. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I'll tell you in a second. Price can sometimes be creating a more complex pullback before it actually pushes higher. Now, does that mean that that's the case? No, but we know that price has failed to create what? A higher high at this given time. What we need to do though, however, is break these previous lows. So until we don't break these previous lows, for all I know, gold could come back up once more before it actually pushes to the downside. Does that make sense, guys? Okay, you guys with me on that? I want you guys to understand this. This is basically just so you guys can learn and understand how to look at the markets. Okay, guys? We got Tom Brooks. Tom, man, I've missed you, my man. I hope you're doing well. Hi, Pedro. I've been working early and haven't been able to watch your morning sessions. No worries, Tom. That's why I figured I'd come here in the evening as well and join you guys as well, because I know that not all of you unfortunately can't make it on the morning live streams, but I haven't forgot about you guys. So Tom, I haven't forgot about you as well, and no worries. Like I said, I'm gonna probably start coming on in agent sessions again. It's just I had a super busy week last week, but again, you guys know the mornings you will always see me there. We're always live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. guys. You guys know that. So let's continue on, guys. If you understood that explanation so far on gold, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. It does support the channel. Also, if you're new to the family, let's say you're just new to the channel, let me know in the chat box, guys. Introduce yourself. Don't be shy. Okay, what's going on, guys? We got some comments here. Your view on the market was phenomenal, bro. Scalping King, thank you, bro. I appreciate it, my man. Again, I want you to know that I'm not saying I'm gonna put flowers on myself. You know what I mean? It's not the case. I want you to know that I just try to have, you know, I have my way of looking at the markets, and everyone has their own unique way of looking at the markets, and you'll find your way. Maybe you'll be like, damn, that was a missing piece the way Pedro explained it, and then boom, you find your own different edge, right? So remember that there's no perfect way. It's just finding your perfect edge, and that comes with time, okay? And but thank you so much, Scalping King. I appreciate it, my man. I appreciate the love. For humanity, let's go, baby. Another fresh start. You already know what's good, my man. Let's get it. Let's go. Tom Brooks still made 0.50 or 0.5% on gold today. Yes. I don't know if you saw that, Tom. I know that you missed our live stream, but we killed gold this morning. In fact, it's one of the wicks here that we took. I looked on buys. I cleared the charts on gold, by the way. That's why you don't see it. But this was insane. And I got so into it. That's the thing. I get so into my live streams, especially in the morning, that I almost lost my breath because I was literally drinking just black tea, guys. And so I think it's not too good what I'm doing, because even right now I'm drinking matcha, but it's like super, see, I drink matcha and black tea, but they're really high caffeine content. They're really good antioxidants. They're good for your health, but the caffeine content, I feel like it's too much. And so I was so stoked in the morning. We caught a gold trade before the news came out, and price literally spiked exactly as the direction I was anticipating. And those that were already part of the live stream, you guys know exactly what I was telling you guys. I was like, guys, if it holds this level of support, this is what I'm looking at. Now, mind you, price, obviously I always mention this, price could do anything at any given time. We know that, but this is the most high probable setup I'm anticipating. And price literally did exactly what I had mentioned and what we expected. But I got so, I don't know if the caffeine or whatever, but I almost like lost my breath. I was so like, anyways, I'm not even exaggerating. But yeah, guys, that's how we catch. And that's over here, you guys could see it. Price literally, and I said, okay, take your profits here, guys. And price literally came back down. Now, seeing these heavy wick rejections on the higher time frames and indicates to me as a trader that we can anticipate a continuation to the downside. Okay, guys. Now, sometimes price will create double tops. These are reversal pattern formations, triple tops, head and shoulders pattern formation, whatever the case is, right? Sometimes it won't. And so what I'm looking at as a trader is I need to see price break these lows first, at least on the 1 hour time frame. I need to see price break these lows before I can expect a continuation to the downside. Until we don't break below these lows, I'm not looking for sell opportunities for gold just yet. Okay, we need to break below. And so what I'm anticipating for gold is some sort of a move like this, and then we wait for the retest and we look for continuation of sells. This is how I'm looking at the market, guys. This is what I'm expecting for gold to do. Again, you know, nothing is 100%, but you guys have seen over time in my live streams, I show you guys everything. I explain everything, how we look at the markets. And the most important thing as traders is that we focus on minimizing our losses as much as possible and focusing on letting our runners run. Welcome to our family member there. We had another, I just missed it. We just had another family member just join the family. Welcome. As you guys know, I call you guys members because I consider you guys all a family. We are one big family, guys. And so, yeah, welcome to all of our new members that are tuning in there, guys. Let's get it. Let's go. You guys understanding that explanation on gold? If you are, guys, smash that like button, guys. We're at 14 likes. Can we get it to 15 likes? Let's go. Okay. That's what I'm looking at sells yet. Remember, as traders, we don't want to get so we have to learn to be patient, guys. Patience pays, okay? And so the more patient we are, we'll understand how to look at the markets, when to get in, when to potentially get out. You'll feel that gut feeling. You'll realize, you'll be like, when price starts giving me these, you know, price action, signals, or this is a bearish candle close, this is a huge wick rejection, right? Whatever it is, you'll start noticing price action and you focus on market structure. Later on, if you want, I personally don't use it as much, but you can start using moving averages as confluence if you want. And this could help you as a trader. See, we got the 20 moving average here. So what I'm expecting, if we get a strong momentum push, we might get a break below the 20 moving average on the 4 hour. And that's going to be quite significant because then it'll retest it as a level of resistance. Again, I don't really want to be trading the moving averages here, especially on the higher time frames. But even if we look over here closely, guys, on the 1 hour, again, what I'm saying is if we break the 50, then this is going to be quite significant and we will see a shift in the market. But again, we aren't looking for sell setups. I'm going to put this line here and I'm going to mark it up here, guys. Sell setups below this level of structure. And we'll probably be trading gold tomorrow morning again. I'm going to put, hold on, give me 1 sec here, guys. Sell setups below this level structure, and then I'm going to set my alert probably just a little bit below here, because again, we're not going to get on a breakout entry. We're just going to wait on the retest. Crossing sell area. There we go. All right, so we got our notifications on, we got everything going on perfect. Okay, that is okay. All right, guys, let's continue on. What are we looking at? Dixie, obviously, if we can anticipate gold to melt, we can anticipate the dollar to gain. Now, what are we looking at here, guys, overall? Okay, I'm just gonna read here through the comments. We gotcha. Why are you selling if you're Russian news? Do you think it'll go up if it's safe haven? Not too sure, my man. I don't really typically trade news, so obviously we do have news, and I always preach this, guys, all the time. If there's news, and this is why I'm not in this trade, and we're not taking any trades right now. If there's any news, which I'm sure there will be news, we got lots of news this week. Let's see, Wednesday. We got retail sales. So we do have some US news, okay? And that will affect, obviously, price, but this is at 8:30. So again, tomorrow, depending on what we get after the news, we can then start trading gold, right? Depending on that, this is what I'm anticipating, guys. I explain everything with you guys as how I look at the markets, right? Obviously, we got lots of news, will affect price. We know that, guys. But we always want to manage our risk. And as long as we look at the technicals, we look at what price action is telling us, we can go from there. Okay. Tom Brooks, love the gold on gold. You're great at giving the whole perspective. Thank you, Tom. I appreciate it, my man. I really do. Appreciate the love. Let's get it. Okay, so we're going to continue on here, guys. What can we anticipate? For example, let's take a look at USD JPY. USD JPY, I'm anticipating pull back. We could see, for example, USD JPY at this level is looking like a double bottom on the 4-hour time frame. If we go up to the daily, we can anticipate that price is going to probably pull back to this, at least this level structure, and potentially maybe a little bit higher. We know that this is a major level structure, and even if we go over here, let's take a look here. Let's see. Overall direction is to the upside, guys. We can clearly see that as clear as water. Okay. Now, price sometimes will create a complex pullback, especially a strong impulsive move like this. We can anticipate some sort of a correction. Now, after this correction, this does not mean that we're looking for potential highs, because maybe this is it. Maybe this is the shift. Maybe we might not continue to create a new higher high, right? So what we may anticipate, at least, is maybe price to come up to these highs over here, okay, and create basically a retest essentially at this level. So I could see probably a USD JPY longer term. Obviously, we're looking at a larger scale, a longer term scale, for price to come up to these highs, right? And then maybe we may see it reject and finally break below this level for a continuation to the downside, right? That could be a possibility, right? Obviously, we don't know. We can't fully anticipate what the market's going to do. However, we can work with what we have right now, right? Okay, let's continue on, guys. You guys here with me? Hold on. I think this just froze here for a sec. Give me 1 sec. I'm just going to refresh it. Welcome to all of our new members too as well, guys. Welcome. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell, guys, and hit all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream, guys. Let's get it. Okay, the chat box here is okay. We're good. Okay, guys, we're at 15 likes. Can we get it to 20 likes? Let's go. Let's get it. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at there. So yeah, USD JPY overall, we can anticipate, or at least what I'm anticipating, is price to potentially pull back up to these highs. Now, if I know that most likely price is going to do that, let's focus on what price is actually telling us. So if we narrow it down now to the 4 hour, we know we're in an upwards trend on the higher time frame, like the daily. We can see that this is a nice reversal pattern. You can see that we're at a major level of structure. Look at where prices hold and respected in the past. Look, we got resistance, resistance, support, support, right? We're at a major level of structure. We've already rejected this level. Look at that wick rejection there. Look at this double bottom formation. We can anticipate price to continue to go higher. Now, why do I have this kind of setup here at this level and I'm not setting my targets up here? Because I don't know what price could do. Price could probably reject this level as well. Look at this level here. We got lots of support area here, and look, we got some resistance here, some traffic here as well. So this is kind of my TP1 or my overall anticipation where price may come back up. And watch this. This is what price may potentially do, guys. Remember, price, we have to work with what we have, and this is what I may see price do. Okay, we got the double bottom here, okay? And what do we see? This is the neckline potentially, okay? So we may anticipate a push, breaking the neckline, okay? And because we have traffic here on the left-hand side, we can anticipate price to come up to these highs, then reject that area because it's a major level of structure, okay? Come back down, retest the neckline, and then boom, we can anticipate price to go higher because it retested the neckline. As long as price holds this level of support, we can anticipate a continuation to the upside. And we hold this level as a new level of support. It is no longer a level of resistance and is now testing as a level of support. And that's how we're able to spot out these opportunities. And what I looked at it as a higher time frame. We're at a major level of structure. We're in an upwards trend. So are you guys understanding this, guys? If you are, please smash that like button, guys. Also, let me know in the chat box below if you're understanding this explanation. Also, guys, if you're new to the family, guys, welcome. Just want to personally welcome you guys. And also let me know in the chat box below where you're joining in from. Let's go. Guys, I'm just going to report this. We got some spam in the chat. All right. And I hope you guys are having a great evening or morning wherever you guys are tuning in from, because I know we got people from all over the world, guys. And I just want to welcome you guys. Also, if you guys are new to the family, also consider joining the Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community on there of traders, guys. We have over 200 members on there as well in my free Telegram group, guys. It's called Blessed Traders Academy. I've created it literally to help you guys network between each other. You know, maybe you have questions, whatever the case is. That is a great place where you can network with other traders. So check that out as well. And I am active on there as well. Also, if you guys are looking to learn or level up on your trading, I have my VIP inner circle. This is really focused on really trying to take your trading to that next level. Maybe you want that extra support on Zoom calls and stuff like that. That is my inner circle. Just a little background for it. I'll leave the link there as well. Okay, let's continue on, guys. The main focus is what I want to teach you guys as to what I'm seeing in the markets do. And you can see pretty much that's my overall expectation on USD JPY. Okay. Let's move on. USD CHF. We'll come back to all this. We'll reference back all that, whatever you want to call it. Okay, look at this, guys. This was potentially a good potential entry. You guys could look here. I already had my setup here. I didn't get in, obviously, but I was like, man, maybe we could probably get in here on these lows. And I have my notification on for USD CHF. Do you guys see the little orange dotted line? I already had my notification on there. That's what I'm anticipating. Similar move with USD JPY. And again, it could be a shorter term pullback. We don't know, but we know that we're a major level structure and we can anticipate price to pull back up. Now, on the daily, what are we looking at? We are looking at a range, guys. We're not trending up. We're not trending down. We're at a range. Okay. So it's very straightforward. What do we do when we're stuck in a range, guys? Let me know. What do we do when we're stuck in a range? I teach this every single day, guys, in my live streams. What do we do, guys? What do we look for, guys, when we're stuck in a range? We look for a breakout. Okay, so when we're in a range, we look for a breakout. As long as it has volume, we anticipate some sort of a breakout, and that breakout could be to the upside outside of this range or to the downside outside of this range. Now, when we know that price has touched multiple times within this ranging or consolidation market, we can anticipate to sell the highs or buy the lows. Now, where are we right now, guys? Let me clear the charts here, literally clear it completely, okay? And where are we right now? What does this tell you, guys? Look at this inverted hammer here on the daily, guys. Look at that. And we got a little bit of indecision, and now we have a bullish candle. What does this tell you, guys? After a strong move like this, okay, what do we expect? Exhaustion, right? We expect some sort of a break. We expect price to be like, okay, I need a break. I need to cool down, right? So what do we anticipate? Some sort of a retracement, some sort of a corrective move, some sort of a pullback, right? So after a strong move like that, we can anticipate what? Price to push back up potentially, right? We're rejecting this level structure. We know that this is a major level structure in the past, okay? We could also see it's a level of support. So if we pull it up here, down there, it probably goes even further out. Look at this, resistance, resistance, support, perfect. Okay, we know that's a major level structure. And if we go over here, we know that this is a structure high, okay? So we know we've been ranging here. We're at the lows. Now, mind you something, price could also not just push up from here, but also could come back and retest. We also have to keep that in mind, right? So this is why you always have to manage your risk. We go down to the 4 hour. This is where we start looking at better price action. And it looks like it kind of looks like a double bottom, but overall it's not the greatest. What I want to see is price break above this high over here, and we can anticipate a continuation to the upside, which is the 4 hour time frame, which is quite significant. And again, if we narrow it down to the 1 hour, what do we see, guys? We still see what? A range. And what do we look for in a range, guys? This is clear as water, guys. What do we look for in a range? Right? We look for a breakout. Okay. Got the wifey there. Let's go. Shauib. Sorry, Shauib. I think I pronounced it right, my man. Either way, welcome, welcome, welcome. See where liquidity is. That is correct. Perfect. And break of structure on a lower. Yes. Pull back to previous high. That is correct. Perfect. Beautiful, guys. That is amazing. Great. Okay. If you guys are understanding that, smash that like button for me, guys. I'm going to leave that notification on there. In fact, I'm probably going to move it a tad bit higher just because I wanted to break that high. So we'll save that for now. And that's my overall anticipation for USD CHF. Okay. Tom, I think he had a question. Is USD JPY still on an upwards trend? We always have to look at it. It's a trend within a trend. So if that makes sense, USD JPY, I would say it's in a corrective move, but yes, we are still trending to the upside on the higher time frame. Now, this is a stronger corrective move. We've kind of broken below this low, previous low right here. So, but again, I wouldn't even consider that a low, because if we look at price like this, give me one sec here. So if we were to look at price, for example, let's say, let's start it from here, I guess. We got the impulsive move here, right? We got one retracement here, another impulsive move here, one retracement here, and we got another impulsive move. So this is kind of what I'm seeing here, to be honest with you. So technically, I think we would have to break this low for us to actually look for a potential push to the downside, because this was just kind of like a little correction, but it wasn't a full pullback, if that makes sense. Okay. Now, like I said, we may see price, and that's why my target, for example, is USD JPY is only to this high over here. Okay. I'm only seeing USD JPY potentially coming up to this high just yet until we break these highs again, right? So we go and we work with what we have. We can't just predict what's going to happen all the way over here yet, right? We can't. We don't know what's going to happen with price. But what we do is we work with what we have. Okay, guys, let's get it. You guys are understanding that? Yes, yes. If you are, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. We're at 16 likes. Let's go. Can we get it to 20 likes, guys? Also, guys, welcome to all of our new family members. Welcome to the family, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and click all notifications. All right. All right. Okay, we're gonna continue on. The CJPY is looking nice. It's looking like that double bottom is starting to like it's looking good. I just want to see it break this neckline, and then we can anticipate price to continue to go higher. Okay, USD CHF, similar move. USD CAD. Let's see what's going on with USD CAD. Okay, so we got also a double bottom here, potentially. Let's go up to the daily. Let's see what's going on with the daily. Okay, so remember what I saw here, guys. We're in this upwards channel. Okay, look at price creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And so what did I say? If we break below this lower level, we can anticipate a break and retest and a continuation to the downside, probably target the lows of this upwards channel. And then I said, if it holds this level of support, we can anticipate two scenarios here, and we can anticipate a break and retest for a continuation to the upside. And that's kind of what I think is happening, guys, because we can clearly see now that we know that we're respecting this level of support on the daily, we can go down to the 4 hour and can anticipate a continuation to the upside as long as it breaks this neckline and we see a nice clean break and retest and continuation to the upside. So there's a downwards channel here. What I want to see is a strong momentum push. Then we wait for the retest and we continue looking for buys, guys. Let's go. I'm gonna put an alert here as well, because this is also looking pretty good. All right, you guys understanding that? Yes. If you guys are, smash that like in the chat box below, guys. Let's go. This is free value, guys. I hope you guys are learning. That's the most important thing, guys. I want you guys to be successful. I want you guys to grow in your trading journey as much as possible. So I hope you guys are taking some notes. Okay, we got Tom Brooks. Are you buying UJ right now? Yes, I am. Yes. Let's go. We got my sister-in-law here. Let's go, Laura. Let's get it. Hey, one of my many biggest, appreciate it. My sister-in-law. Wow, nice, guys. We got our 19 likes. Let's go. Can we get it to 25 likes? Guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat box below. Don't be shy. Also, just want to take this moment and welcome all of our family members. Also, guys, check out my new website, guys. I have a new website. It is live now, so I'm going to put the link in the chat box below so you guys can check out my website as well. We've got the website up and running. Okay. What are we looking at here? Euro GPY. Look, we were anticipating. Do you see the pullback here? Look at my arrows and everything. Look, anticipated it to pull back. It did. And I'm anticipating a continuation to the upside. Potentially. Yeah. Euro JPY. Look at that. As long as it breaks these highs here. Otherwise, it could come back down. Yeah, it could come back down, guys. Bentag, I got stopped on our EURUSD, but re-entered. Nice, my man. Yes. Long term, we know that we're looking for sells. That's our overall outlook there. Actually, you know what? Let's go. Let's pull up EURUSD. Let's see what's going on. So what I'm seeing, and I'm gonna explain it here, guys. Now that you guys are here. Oh shoot. Pulled it up. We got in around here. But what we're seeing, I'm gonna move it out of the way actually, and it doesn't matter. It's looking like a channel here. It's forming, and if you see closely here, even on the 1 hour, we could probably see it a little bit close, little bit better. Actually, you know what? The 30 minutes better. We can see, what do we see here, guys? Check this out. We got the strong momentum push, okay, and now we're forming a bearish flag, right? Do you see the channel? Look at price, up, down, right? And then I saw that price was going to reject this level. And even here, you could see it here. I had this highlighted area right there. I'm like, yeah, it's probably going to come back down, which it did. It went down like 45 pips around there. So if we go down here to the 30 minute, what can I anticipate? I can anticipate a continuation to the downside, right? Again, does it look perfect? No, of course not. But this is kind of what I'm looking at personally. And if we go to the higher time frame, we could see, for example, like even on the daily here, we could see a huge wick rejection, guys. So that huge wick rejection I see right here is a strong indication that, you know, the bears are still in control, and that the bulls tried to push price higher and they failed, right? And so that's my overall. Remember, each candlestick has a story, right? Each candlestick is telling us something, right? So that's what it tells me on the higher time frames, right? And then we can see 1, 2, almost 3 bearish candles, 4 hour bearish candles, and we're getting obviously the pullback, because if we go to the higher lower time frames, we can see that price is starting to form this kind of bearish flag, and we can anticipate a potential continuation to the downside. This is what I'm seeing, guys. This is what I anticipate. Once we break these lows, we can probably see price melt. Okay. That's kind of what I'm seeing on EURUSD, guys. You guys understand that? Yes. I hope you guys are understanding that. If you are, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. It does support the channel. Also, welcome to all of our new members, guys. We're live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I also do come in on the evening sometimes. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications. Click that little notification bell, guys. It's free. And click all notifications so you don't miss out on all these live streams, guys. So you don't miss a single live stream. And if you haven't already, guys, join our Blessed Traders Academy. It's a free Telegram group community that we have. Chat box below. You guys can join. Ventec, your USD tried to pull back and rejected hard, so it's really looking bullish. You mean bearish? Okay. MK, let's go. Let's continue reading here some comments. Welcome to all the new members, guys. I see a couple new members tuning in. Welcome to the family. MK, you think there will be no wick fill on EU? Potentially. We could also, we got to keep in mind too, guys, we could see price also continue to before it actually continues to go lower. It could come back and create a higher what's it called, oh my gosh, guys, I'm blanking out here on the 4 hour. Look, a double top. So yes, it could come back up and fill that wick, essentially, if you will, and create some sort of a double top before it actually goes down lower. Could be a possibility. But again, we're not looking at the 15, we're not looking at the 5 minute, we're not looking at any of these other candles. We're looking at the 30 minute, which is quite significant, and the 1 hour. So this is looking to me like a bearish flag. We got that strong momentum, we got that flag forming here, and then we can anticipate a continuation to the downside. But again, remember, everything is about probabilities. Okay, we always have to manage our risk, and we always have to kind of look at the markets with our trading plan, with an edge, and, you know, not just get into it just to get into the markets, right? We always have to kind of have a plan in place and understand that price is going to, you know, more than not go in our favor, but understand that price could do anything at any given time. So you have to kind of detach your emotions, guys, as traders. And I teach this all the time, guys. And one of the biggest things as traders is that we have to learn to be consistent. We also have to learn to not have an expectation on the markets, right? The moment you go into a trade expecting it to go in your favor, you're already going into it with the wrong mindset, right? You don't want to be going into it with the wrong mindset. You want to go into it with the right mindset and saying, yep, this is the trade. This is what I see price doing. If price doesn't go in my favor, that's okay. I move on to the next. I manage my risk and that's it, right? But yeah, that's kind of what we look at. Ventec, bearish, my bad. Price is kind of melting right now. Yes, price is melting. Could wick back, but we can see that it is melting to the downside, which is what we're anticipating. Let's see here, GJ. I'm gonna go over GJ with you guys as well too. But yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at, guys. That's nice clean break and retest of that structure, and look how price is literally melting, guys. One sec. Yeah, the euro's looking nice. Just want to see that candle close bearish, but overall it's looking good. Yep. All right, we'll wait it out, and then we'll move on to our British pound pairs. So what's going on with GU? I'm gonna clear the charts, guys, because it's really choppy. Let's see here. So GU, I've been anticipating GU is gonna come back down. That's what I'm anticipating, and I could probably see it either come back down. TP1 will be this level around here. So this level around here, and then I could see it maybe come down a little bit lower. Probably not that low, but probably around here, my next level, which could kind of go in confluence with what I'm anticipating. Look at these highs over here like this, right? And we can see this clear channel, guys. This is a clear channel. Look at this. Look at that. Okay. And we saw that nice clean rejection at this major level structure. Okay, guys. Major level structure. Look, and we got a nice clean wick rejection here. Look at that huge wick rejection right there, guys. Hold on, what happened with my arrow? There we go. Nice clean wick rejection at this level. We're at a major level structure on the daily, so we can anticipate GU to melt, probably come back down to this area here as TP1 and then TP2 down here. Okay, that's kind of what I'm anticipating. Again, this is the daily, so it helps us understand the overall direction of the market, guys. Okay, I wouldn't be looking for sells until we kind of break these lows first down over here. Yeah, I would want to break these lows first. I'm gonna just mark it off here. Getting in here is much higher risk, right? So like you're getting into a little bit earlier. But I mean, it does give you the edge of, for example, like if price kind of pulls, it goes down and then it pulls back up, you're pretty much at entry, break even, you're not losing money. But again, you just have to realize that maybe price might come back up and create a double top before it goes down lower, right? So I'm not saying that's the case, but I'm saying that. Okay. All right, Ventec already 45 pips profit. Awesome. Ventec is one of my students in my VIP inner circle, guys. So I'm really happy to hear that, Ventec. That's awesome, my man. I did call this trade out in my inner circle. I actually shared it also in the free Telegram. Actually, I shared this exact trade. Actually, I said patience pays. I'm telling you guys, I literally said it. I'm just like, guys, trust me, trust me, trust me. It's a longer term setup. Just wait. Okay. Members, guys, welcome to all the understanding this, guys. If you understood that explanation on GU, smash that like button for me, guys. Also, if you already smashed the like button, you can't smash it again, leave a fire emoji below, guys. And if you're new to the family, guys, welcome. Consider subscribing, but also don't forget to hit the little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. And introduce yourself, guys. Don't be shy. Let's go, guys. I hope you're finding the explanation helpful, guys, in terms of like the simplicity. I try to simplify it as much as possible, so please let me know if you guys are understanding it. Yes, if you are, guys, let me know. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Awesome. Great, guys. Welcome. We got a couple new members also tuning in, guys. Welcome to all of our new family members, guys. Really appreciate you all. As you guys know, I call you guys members because you guys aren't just a number. You guys aren't just, you know what I mean, just subscribers. You guys are family. You know, our family has been growing pretty quickly, and I'm really just, honestly, I'm honored, guys, to be able to help you guys level up on your trading. You know, this morning alone, guys, we caught 2 amazing trades live in our live session this morning at 7 a.m. And I'm just like really proud of everyone. You know, I get messages every day, guys. I'm not even exaggerating. I get messages every single day of, you know, members telling me, Pedro, man, like your live streams have helped me so much, or hey man, like it's really helped me kind of gain confidence, or whatever the case is, guys. I'm not going to just pour flowers on myself, but I'm just here to let you know that, you know, I'm here to help you out and you can count on me, guys. And but yeah, I'm just really proud of how far we've come, guys, as a family. And like I said, guys, I'm here to support you guys every step of the way. I'm not saying I know everything, but I'm here to show you guys overall my knowledge in the span of 6 years that it's taken me to get to where I am today. I'm not even close to where I want to be. Like I told you guys, I'm not even close, not even a tip of the iceberg as to where I want to be, guys. But I got to tell you something. I am thankful. I'm thankful for God's opportunities that he's given me and allowed me. And I'm just so thankful for everything he's permitted in my life. So I do have to point that out. You know, if it hasn't been for him, I wouldn't be where I am today. So let's get it, guys. Let's go. So what are we looking at here for GJ as well? We see this upwards channel, guys. GJ was also a perfect setup this morning. I can't stress this enough, guys. This was a perfect setup. You can see 8 in the morning. If we look down exactly at the time slots, 8 in the morning, I told you guys we were at a resistance level, and this is why I marked it up here, and price literally fell 133 pips, guys. If you would have done a full lot on GJ, that would have been over $1,300, guys. You would have pocketed just like that. Obviously, you know, everyone's account is different, guys, but whatever. That's still a lot of pips, guys. You know what I mean? So really nice. You know, this is how we're able to catch these opportunities, guys. Okay, so let's continue on here. Let's go. Yeah, so we're seeing some sort of a potential rejection. We know that this is a major level structure. So we can anticipate, for example, I'll be honest with you, I'm still looking for potentially GJ to continue to go down further. That's my anticipation. I'm expecting it to go down lower. We are creating higher highs and higher lows. If we look at this, look at the 4 hour, guys. I'm going to show you something. Look at this. Okay. Look at that. Right? So I'm anticipating GJ to also go down, guys. This is my overall expectation. Again, obviously you want to manage your risk, guys. You don't want to just get into trades blindly, but this is kind of what my outlook is, guys, on the 4 hour. Yeah. Let's go. We got MK here. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. Welcome to all of our new members that are just tuning in. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Appreciate you guys very much. Welcome to the family. Guys, also don't be shy. Consider if you have any questions, guys, let me know. Also, guys, I'm gonna show you guys another. So that's GJ, what I'm expecting. If this candle closes bearish on the 1 hour, I'm definitely expecting it to probably come back down to these lows. If it breaks these lows, we can anticipate a continuation to the downside. This is just a small correction, and I just think that price may continue to go down further, guys. And like, you know, just to give you guys an example, there's a lot of pips here, guys. Over 500. I'm not saying that's going to happen overnight, but you know, we know that maybe this overall direction, if we go up to the higher time frames, we know that if we are rejecting these highs and we're failing to break above this major level structure, right, we can anticipate price to break below. And let me clear this here. Okay. You guys understanding that? Yeah. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? You guys understanding it? Yes, let me know. Let me know if you guys are understanding that in the chat box below. Also, smash that like button, guys. We're at 19 likes. Can we get it to 25 likes, guys? We got 26 people here live, guys. I really do appreciate it, guys. Smash that like button if you understood that explanation. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. All right. Okay. So we'll come back to that. We'll reference back to GJ. We'll go to Gbpusd. So all my main pairs I prefer to trade. You can see that those are my top pairs. Okay. What are we looking at here? Let's clear the charts because this is obviously we saw price range for a bit. Let's go up to the daily. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna mark off my areas here, guys. All right, do you guys see what I see? You guys see what I see? We've broken below the neckline on the double top at a major level structure, which we could see that price respected this level in the past as well. Okay, there we go. You guys see that? So we broke below the neckline and now we're anticipating a continuation to the downside. Strong momentum push. We wait for the retest and continue to sell. That's what I'm looking at for Gbpusd on the daily, guys. So this is just overall outlook, right? But then we narrow it down to the 30-minute, 15-minute for entries, 1 hour, right? Confirmations. You guys understanding that? Yes. Yes, guys. Yes. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood that explanation. Gbpusd. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. MK, which trade did you take today? Took Euro CHF. Missed the gold one in the live stream, unfortunately, and that was like over 104 pips, if not more. I think it reached 120. Just Euro CHF, my man, and right now USD JPY. Okay. Welcome to all of our new members, guys. I see a couple new members tuning in and subscribing. Also, don't forget to hit all notifications when you're subscribing to all the new members. And all the new members that are tuning in, guys, don't be shy. I want you to know that we're a community, that we hear each other. I love to hear when everyone's getting involved, guys. So if you have any questions, don't be shy, guys, to comment below. And also, like I said, if you're new, don't be shy to introduce yourself. I want to hear where you're joining in from, guys. Let me know. Put your little your flag, put your country flag in the chat box below. I'd love to see where you guys are tuning in from. We got people from all over the world, guys. We got people from Australia. We got people from literally US, people from Greece, Spain, Kenya, South Africa, everywhere, guys. Jamaica. We got people from Venezuela, everywhere, guys. We got people from all over the place, guys. Brazil. I know we have a couple people from Brazil as well. Okay, let's continue on here, guys. Let's go. We're at 21, guys. Can we get it to 25 likes? Let's go. So now that we know that we've broken below this level, we can anticipate sells. We narrow it down to the 4 hour. Okay. And we start seeing what price is doing. So what I need to see, for example, for GBP odd for sells, I need to see price break below this low. This low here. I'm going to set an alert. Crossing sell area. Okay. Set that alert there. Done. Okay. Perfect. And we'll move this here like that. That makes more sense. Yep. Okay. Good. We'll leave that as that for now. Let's move on to odd USD. So odd USD, we've kind of broken above. We're kind of in this upwards trend. We had some sort of a weird correction here. Again, I think it's just like some sort of a potential like complex type of pullback. But essentially, if you realize here, there's no really uptrend. It's kind of starting off here at this level here. And this was just kind of a level structure here. So price broke that level structure. We were kind of ranging sideways here, right? We were ranging. This was the low of the range. Okay. You guys see it now? Yep. So we can anticipate a potential. We're holding this level of support now on the 4 hour. We can anticipate a rejection. As long as price respects this level structure, it has to respect it. If it doesn't respect it, then it goes back in, right? And it was a fake out. But if it respects this level and it holds it as a level of support, we're looking for a continuation to the upside, okay? Okay, hold on. Give me 1 second. No, give me 1 sec. Okay. Okay, guys, this is good. Okay, awesome, guys. We've got Scalping King India. Nice, my man. Nice. Quan, GJ. Yes, we already went over GJ, my man. We already went over GJ. But overall anticipation is a continuation to the downside. That's my overall anticipation. You see clearly this is my outlook, okay? As long as price respects this level of structure here as a level of resistance, we can anticipate it to continue to go down lower. All right? Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this live stream, guys. I'm going to be here for a couple more minutes and then we'll call it a night. And then we'll be back tomorrow. As always, we'll be back at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. But we're going to be wrapping this up shortly. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Also, welcome to all the new members that are tuning in if it's your first time here. Okay, so yeah. Even here, like let's say you were to get in here on like obviously right now it's not the, but if we look anticipate sells at this point, we set our targets just above here. Let's say 35 pips. Target these lows here. That's 94 pips. Target the low of this. It's like 213 pips. Yeah, I mean, it could keep going down lower, guys. Could keep going. That's a much better entry anyways. I'll tell you that. So yeah, if you would do that, let's say 30, like I would probably do it a little bit because it's a more longer term. 40 pips. Right there. 41. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. I can definitely anticipate it to probably push a little bit lower, guys. That's my outlook on GJ. All right. I'm just gonna put the, I'm actually gonna probably enter this trade. I don't know, maybe just do a low lot size, just let it ride. Maybe, we'll see, because we do have some news, right? So we have to trade with caution, guys. Yeah, we have some news at 2 in the morning. Some CPIs. You set your stops. If it melts, if it's bearish news, it'll probably melt, right? Could be a possibility. Set your stops here, guys. Yeah, let it do its thing there. Let's see what's going on with NAS for tomorrow. We got Eduardo. Welcome, Eduardo. Let's go, my man. How about UJ? How's that going? It's going probably pretty good. Just give me 1 second here, my man. Nicholas, let's go. Good night, bro. Good night. Okay, so let's take a look. We're 23 likes, guys. Count to 25. Let's get it. UJ, yeah, let's reference back. UJ for right now, it's probably just pulling back. Yep. So it's literally pulling back at this level right now. So we can anticipate some sort of a slight little pullback and a continuation to the upside. Now, if it rejects this level and it just starts a consolidation, it is what it is, right? But we had the opportunity to basically get in on a nicer entry. But I'm overall, like, the higher time frames is significant because the higher time frames are literally telling you the direction of the market, right? So if the higher time frames telling me, hey, we're failing to break below this level structure, hey, we're struggling to break below, and we have wick rejections, guys, you best bet after a strong like this, like look at this strong bearish candle, look at the strong bearish candle like that, right? But after a strong upwards momentum, we're at a major level of structure, a strong move like this to the downside, I'm going to expect actually pull back or some sort of an exhaustion, right? So on this exhaustion or pullback, that's where we want to get in on the buy opportunities, right? So I'll keep you guys in the loop. I'll let you guys know tomorrow anyways how it goes. Let's go. You guys understanding that? Yes, I hope you guys understood that. Yeah, we'll take a look at NAS as well. So NAS is kind of breaking above this level of structure. However, I'm not seeing bullish momentum. I just see kind of like price tried to push up and then the bears came back up and came back down and pushed price down. So it's like they're fighting right now. You know what I mean? There's a lot of indecision. I would say, yeah, if this price is able to hold this level of support, we can anticipate a continuation to the upside. But overall, I just see bearish sentiment. So this could just be a potential just fake out. And price might actually come back down into the range. Right? So we'll see. We'll see, guys. Welcome, Eduardo. Eduardo just subscribed to the family, guys. Welcome. Eduardo, appreciate you, my man. Welcome to La Familia. Guys, if you're new, don't forget to hit that little notification bell, guys, and click all notifications, guys, so you don't miss a single live stream. Okay? I don't want you guys missing out. I don't want me. Okay, guys. That is a before I leave here, guys, that is a potential wrap as to what I'm looking at. But before I leave, I want to show you guys something, one more thing. Give me 1 second here. I did have, okay, so if you haven't already and you're new to the family, guys, consider subscribing to the Telegram group, guys. Click the link to free Telegram, and I'm telling you guys, you won't regret joining in. Also, guys, like I said, the little notification bell for those that are new, all the new subscribers. Also, if you're looking to level up on your trading, maybe you've been struggling, maybe you're just tired of losing trades, guys, or maybe you're just having a hard time of getting clarity. If you enjoy the way I explain things, guys, trust me, I explain everything in my VIP inner circle, guys. I do give you guys signals or breakdowns, and I literally tell you guys exactly what I'm looking at, when to get in, when to get out. And guys, we've been catching crazy pips in the VIP inner circle. So if you're looking to learn while you earn, I'm telling you guys, it's definitely worth it. You know, I've created it mainly to put my main focus. Obviously, I'm only one person, so it requires a lot of my time to be able to upkeep and maintain, but it's definitely worth it. I also have a live Zoom call that we're going to be going on. It's a monthly Zoom calls that we do in our inner circle. And you know, I go over your charts. I personally answer questions live, guys. I'm, you know, I'm able to connect with you guys. So I look forward to seeing you guys join in there if you're looking to take your trading to the next level, or if you enjoy these live streams, but you really want to have a little bit more clarity, because obviously sometimes some people come in later in the live streams, or sometimes you just don't have time. Guys, that's the link there, VIP Inner Circle. I look forward to seeing you guys tune in. And again, I will see you guys tomorrow at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As always, I'm here in the mornings, guys. Also, if you're looking for a quality broker, here's my broker. I'll leave that link there for you guys if you guys want to sign up. Okay. There's a sign up bonus for that as well if you do sign up with my link. Okay. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know right now before I leave, guys. Let me know if you have any more questions for me, guys. Welcome to the new members. I see a couple new members joining the family right now. Welcome. Excited to have you all here, guys. Also, if you guys are still trying to figure out, you know, maybe you want to learn how I look at the markets, guys, also watch my other live streams, guys. All of my live streams go live on my channel, so you can always reference back and check out, for example, today's live stream. We caught 2 amazing trade setups, guys. In fact, we technically 3. Yeah, guys, go back, watch from beginning to end. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Have yourself an amazing night, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.